midnight, November 19th, 2025. Looking at NQ on Monday or either Sunday night when I was looking at NQ. So let's replay. I was here starting the new week. We were here. I was expecting that the market has taken this low and closed high above. Expecting the market might go up from here, taking out these low resistance highs. Before taking that trade, I would need Monday to print a bullish day, and then I would be seeing a continuation on Tuesday. But but the market traded the other way, so on Monday we print a down close candle. So if you see here, Monday we did trade above Friday's high here, and then we closed lower. So that didn't give me any confirmation to trade higher. And then I expected that we might be going lower. And on the other hand, on YM, if you look at YM made a new all-time high last week. But we're on the other hand, ES and NQ, they were both trading lower. We're both trading lower. So this might be a manipulation for the market to go lower. This might be a long shot, but we might have made a high of the year. Might be too soon to say this, but this might be the high of the year, and we might just be given it end up in correction or consolidation to close the yearly candle. We'll see. Probably too soon for that. Too soon to say that right now. So yeah. So we didn't trade up to these highs. Monday we opened trade above Friday's Friday's high into the gap and then trade lower. So now coming into Tuesday, I was expecting market to just trade lower. Expecting the market fail to create new low and trading lower, and then we did trade lower, but I didn't end up taking any trade as I usually trade New York, but Tuesday opened. This was the opening for Tuesday. We traded higher a bit, and then right during the midnight Asian session, we traded lower, and before the open of even London session, we created a new low here. So I ended up not trading this session as well, as I wasn't sure that if we would continue in New York or we just trade higher and close above. But then Tuesday we did close below as well, like during overnight session we created a new low and there trade higher a bit, then during London trade lower, and then bit of retracement but close lower. At the end of the day we did close lower. So now the next day I'm expecting it to give another expansion to the downside. So third expansion day. So fourth, you're looking at that, the first target would be previous day low, and then we might end up, I don't know, it's a bit too far. We'll see. I don't know if it's gonna trade up to these lows, but we do have this gap here on the Friday, October 10th, and the opening of new week opening up. Let's see if we close this. We might close this all the way up till 24,188. That's what I'm looking at. I don't know where I'm gonna enter. I'm gonna let the overnight at London print, and then I'm gonna see in the morning if we get any trading opportunities to trade lower. That's what I'm seeing for here on NQ. This is my expectation here for NQ. We'll see how it plays out. We'll see how London prints, and then New York. I would like to see some kind of manipulation before expecting to trade lower, or we might just print lower and go trade this low and these lows like overnight. That's what's been happening. That's what happened yesterday as well. So who knows? We might just trade low this low and to the close of this gap overnight, and we'll see tomorrow morning. That's what I got for NQ. And yeah, it'll be funny. Let's see if this is the high of the year and we just end up trading lower. We also got a Wednesday. We also got Nvidia earnings during the close. So let's see what that brings. Yeah. So I haven't taken any trade so far this week. Still waiting for something worth taking. I haven't taken anything. What's this? And we got gold here. Gold, as of the weekend, I wanted gold. I was looking for gold to trade these highs on Monday. Before I'm bearish on gold, but it was consolidating here in the beginning. That's what I was looking at. Something I was consolidating here. It's in this range. I wanted it to trade higher and then go lower into these lows, but we haven't done that. We did take the lows before, and then yesterday, Tuesday, we took Monday's low and then traded back in. And let's see. Looks like we're heading to those highs. Let's see how the market reacts from here. Trades higher. That's what I got for gold. And anything else? Anything else? Anything else? I do have it. Yeah, I have in these cells for NQ. What is a paper account though? It's a paper account. Oh, like 110 contracts. It's a paper contract. It's a paper trading account. You can see here. It's not a funded account, of course. Not a live account. It would be nice one day. This would be real. Trading 110 contracts in a live account soon. But I had something for Forex as well. I think it was GJ. I think it was GJ. Where's GJ? Yeah. Yeah. So GJ, I'm looking for these highs to be this high there, October 8th, to be traded into. That's my target. We did, I was looking at here. So in the week of October 6th, we opened with a huge gap. We trade high for 3 days and then we consolidating between the high and the low of this range. And then November 4th and 5th, we took out this low, traded into the gap, and then traded higher, and then continued higher, change in state of delivery. Now, this is Friday, right? Friday, Monday, Tuesday. Yeah, so now I'm expecting this high to be taken. This is my target for GJ. Friday, we took out Thursday low, closed above. Monday, we opened new week, traded higher. So this, to me, is a protected low. We shouldn't trade below this area, though it has created equal lows here. I don't want it to trade back into this area. Uh, what I am expecting from the market is trade into these low resistance lows, which is also the low of Monday, Tuesday, Monday low of Tuesday, also a low of yesterday, Tuesday. I would like to market to manipulate, take out these lows, and then give us some form of CASD, and then continue higher up to these highs. That's what I'm looking for in GJ. Other than that, oh, sorry. Other than that, I don't have much going on. Yeah, so Forex, just looking on GJ, targeting these highs, and then got NQ taking on trading these lows here, targeting these lows. I don't have any entry or anything right now. Looking at this, we did open up today, so created this lower resistance lows, traded above, then got down. Let's create this 1 hour change in state of delivery. State of delivery. And then we also got this here 15 minutes, create this up close candle and manipulate it here, taking out this high and then went lower. We also have a small time frame change in state of delivery here. That's where I short. I don't trade overnight session or lens session though. I just took this on paper. Entry here at CASD. Stops above this manipulation and targeting PDL, previous day low. It's just a paper account, this paper trade. Just fun. Yeah, but that's all I have going on for now. Nothing much. We'll see what tomorrow brings. We also have Nvidia earnings on Wednesday, and then Thursday we got non-farm employment. Finally, this week the government has opened up as well, so we got a lot of news that's been pending. So let's see what this week brings. We got 3 more days for this trading week. Let's trade wisely. Don't do anything stupid. And best of luck. Have a good night.